welcome back to another YouTube video. If you don't know me already, my name is Luna and today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your model. So this is my bikini model and I try out all of my bikinis on her. This is what it looks like from here and this is what it looks like from the back. And so I'm just, oh, it looks like she did a poo-poo. It's okay, we all make mistakes in life. But I'm gonna clean her up and I'm gonna show you how to do the same. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a sponge, but make sure it's not too wet because this is fabric. So we're gonna be wiping on fabric. So make sure that it's not too wet. So you're gonna take all of the stains and that's where we're gonna begin. So just start to rub it round and round in circles because that's how you get all of these stains off. Just lightly, we don't need to go too dark. You can see the patches that I have left. And then just repeat all around the model. And you can come around the front here. Make sure to get all of those places. And you can take the hat off. As you can see, it's a little bit dirty inside. And then you can just wipe around. And guys, just like that, we are done. I really hope that you found this video useful, and if you want to see more videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!